In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for project management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can help you plan, collaborate, and track your projects effectively, whether you're working individually or as part of a team. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll want to create a Wrike account if you haven't done so already. Head over to the Wrike website, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button, and fill in the necessary details. Once you're registered, you'll land on your dashboard, and this is where the magic begins. Now that you have your account set up, the next step is to create a new project. Look for the plus button, usually located in the top left corner or sometimes represented as New Project. When you click it, a prompt will appear asking you for the project name, description, and dates. Make sure to add these details carefully, as they will help you establish a clear understanding of what the project is about and its time frame. Once your project is created, you'll notice the interface has different sections. On the left, you'll find the navigation pane that lists your projects. On the right, you can see a detailed view of whichever project you select. This is where you can manage tasks, resources, and timelines. To add tasks to your project, look for the Add Task button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to input information such as the task title, due date, and assignee. Assigning tasks to specific team members not only divides the workload, but also improves accountability. After you've input all the necessary details, click Save and watch as your tasks populate within the project. Next, let's focus on the timeline feature. Wrike offers a Gantt chart view that provides a visual representation of your project timeline. To access this, locate the Timeline tab at the top of your project workspace. Here, you can drag and adjust tasks according to their deadlines and dependencies. If one task relies on another, simply connect them to ensure everyone is on the same page. Collaboration is key in project management, and Wrike allows for seamless communication within teams. You can leave comments on specific tasks by clicking on the task and typing your message in the comments section. Tag team members by using the @ symbol followed by their name. This ensures they get notified and can respond right away. Another fantastic feature in Wrike is the ability to upload files directly to tasks. This eliminates the hassle of searching through email threads for important documents. Just click on the task and look for the attachment icon. Upload the file from your device, or if you're using cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox, you can link those files directly in Wrike. Lastly, don't forget about Wrike's reporting tools. Regularly checking the progress of your project is crucial for staying on track. Go to the Reports section on the main dashboard. Here, you can generate different types of reports that give you insight into task completion, team performance, and overall project status. So, to wrap it all up, we covered how to set up your account, create projects, manage tasks, utilize timelines, encourage team collaboration, upload files, and generate reports. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering project management with Wrike. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.